Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm just going to go through this fault code here, P1334 exhaust gas recirculation. Also has brought it up as P0401 exhaust gas recirculation, the EGR it's known as. Now it's putting the car into quite in a limp mode, shall we say, loses power. This is the 3-litre diesel 2010-11 Jaguar XJ, the 3-litre diesel engines. Now, it is a bit of a tricky one to get into. I'm not going to show you in this video how we can actually change it, but I'm going to guide you where it is and what you can do. So there is a few ways around it. You can either remap it, blank it, done, but that's down to your discretion and down to yourself, because it's not legal, because it's just part of the game as the rules and regs of this government. Or the other alternative is you actually change it, and it's just here, right there. It's this whole thing down by the side, because it's a V6. You've got the other side here as well. So there's two really, in reality. It is a bit of a ball ache to get to, I'm not going to lie. If you're handy, I'm sure you can do it. If not, then they're the two you will need to change. If you're getting that code and you are getting them sort of signs, then yep, I would highly, you can do, there is carbon clean as well that some do clean, but it was not going to work, I'll be honest. You just falling in yourself. The other alternative would be to do a good motorway run, but if you've already got the fault code on the cluster, then it's a bit too late, because you're already in limp mode. Unless you are lucky by just turning it on and off. But then again, these won't work. With these cars, they're just so smart, they just detect it. They do clog up, it's diesel, typical, what do you expect? But I would highly recommend getting OEM originals online, on eBay or somewhere where you can buy the parts, and then hopefully just get someone to change it. But that's where it is, and that's where it is on this side as well, as you can see. It's them two metals. I'll put an image up now. That's what it looks like. And that's what you need to change.